Good morning, children. Yes, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. Yes, let us start with the unit number 5, This Native Land. This native land means you all know everybody have their native places. What is called native? Native means the place one take birth. Now, for example, your papa's place will be in different place and your mummy's place will be different place. Your mummy will go to give birth to her place, not in your papa's place. That is called your native land. Yes. Now, if anybody asks you all, where is your native land, they ask you all, what do you all have to say? Your native land means which your mummy has given birth to you all, that is called a native land. Yes, children. Now this in India, we live in India. Yes or no? We live in India. Now in India, you have many think about something that's special in India. You know that so much of special things we get in India, because in different countries you have only one language. The people wherever you see, the same color people you see, the same language they speak. But in India we have 20 languages and we have different types of movies in different languages and songs and dance. Yes or no, children? We feel very happy by seeing every religion, different types of peoples we found here. Yes, let us start with the reading this poem. She is rich and rare land. Now our India is very rich and rare land. Rare means you don't get anywhere like this. Rare means it is different, totally different by different countries. Our India, it is totally different. How it is different? We see, you can see different types of peoples, different religions, different language. You can see the movies in different languages, songs in different languages. Yes or no, children? Dances also, you can see different types of dances. Yes, so it is called rare land. Never we see like this, like India, we don't get different countries like this. Oh, she is fresh and fair land. She is fresh and fair land. She is dear and rare land. She is dear. Dear means Indian people have lot of love among their religion, different religion people also. They love each other, they love their neighbors, they love their relatives, they love their friends. It is totally different and they are dear ones. This native land of mine. See, India, no, it is very totally different, children. You see, in our country, we speak different languages, different religions we have, types of religions, types of languages, types of places we have. Yes or no, children? Yes. No man than her are brave. See, no man than her are bravery. Bravery means, bravery means courageous, not afraid. These Indian people, they don't get afraid of others. They are very bold enough. Yes, you people also very bold enough to talk with others to face your problems. Her woman's heart never waver. Waver means, become weak. Woman's heart, your mommy's heart, they never become very weak. Yes, they are very strong people. Indian women people are very strong. I didn't freely die to save her. I didn't freely die to save her. And think my lot of divine. See, divine means you connected to God. It is connected to God. To freely save her means to serve the people. Indian people, if anybody of their neighbors, they are not feeling well, they go and help each other. They will save the peoples. They give support to the peoples. If they are not feeling well, they go and support. They go to hospital, they take him to hospital, they make them give treatment there. Yes, they take care of the people very much. This poem is about this native land. Now, you can see here, native land means, now for example, I will ask a question for you all. If you come to school, I will ask you all, where from you all? From where from you all means, which is your native land? Which is your native place, I will ask. Now, which is a native place? If I ask you all, what you all will say? You all will say different places. All won't say in one place only. Who's staying in Hospet? All don't take birth in one place only. They take in different types of places. Yes, that is called native land. Let us read once more, children. This native land. She is rich and rare land. Oh, she is a fresh and fair land. She is a dear and rare land. This native land of mine. I told you, I have explained you all about these lines. Rich and rare land. Rich means India is very rich country, and we have to be proud of our country. Yes or no, children? We should be very proud of our country. And she is fresh and fair land. Fresh means you all know. People will be very good, loving care, and fair land. Fair means very white in their thoughts and in their talks. They will be very direct talking. They won't talk behind. She is dear and rare land. She is very dear and rare land. This native land of mine. It is native land of mine. No man than her are braver. No man is than her. Braver means women are very brave than men. They are very bold enough than men's. Her women's hearts never waver. Women's hearts are never waver means she never becomes very weak. The woman never becomes very weak. She will be always strong enough. Our Indian women's. I didn't freely die to save her. And think my lot of divine. Lot of divine means, my lot means whatever one has been given to life. My lot means whatever one has been given in life. What God has given is life. It's my lot of divine. Divine means you know, connecting with God. Connecting with God means speaking with God, talking with God, sharing the word with God. That is called divine. Yes, children. Now look here. You can see this map here, Indian map. You can see a map here, Indian map here. And we are very lucky to we are born in India. Yes or no? We are born in India. We did not born in different countries. Which is our country? It is India. Yes, we should be proud of our country because we have lots of different types of things in India. You get many religion, official languages you get, many people speak in different language. You all know that. Yes or no, children? In different country, you can see in England they speak only English. They don't speak in any languages. Yes or no? Like that only. Different languages they speak. But in our India, we have 20 official languages. Yes, children. Hope you all understood this. Thank you, children.